This is
Radio Aire.
The government says we won't be required to wear face masks in the office. That's according to the Health Secretary, who says wearing one at your desk isn't on the cards. Dr. David Lloyd is a GP. He isn't sure this is the right call.
I think if you've got poor air circulation, I think you should be wearing a mask. We all wear masks indoors. There's very good evidence that basically being inside with this virus is not a good idea unless you take precautions.
It comes as we're hearing there are concerns minority communities in Leeds won't be able to access face masks. Wearing one's going to be compulsory in shops from the 24th of July, and those refusing could be fined £100. The Racial Justice Network are handing them out to asylum seekers and refugees in Leeds. Penny Wangari-Jones is the director there.
We've had well-wishers who are willing to donate or make the mask. So I think rather than be quick to jump into terms of why people are not covering themselves, is kind of really looking deeper and thinking how can we ensure that we're able to provide and reach those communities.
Bar owners in Leeds say they're missing out on support given to the hospitality sector to help businesses recover from the impact of coronavirus. From today, the government is slashing VAT on non-alcoholic drinks and hot food. Phil Harrison runs Cool Lane Social in the city. He thinks more should be done across the board.
There are a lot of bars at the moment that have seen absolutely no support, really. They haven't received any grants or any support at this point. So it's tough times for a lot of people out there in the hospitality industry.
England footballer Marcus Rashford's going to get an honorary degree after he convinced the government into a U-turn over free school meals. The 22-year-old will become the youngest person in the University of Manchester's history to receive one. And finally, from one honour to the next, Yorkshire-born Sir Tom Moore will be knighted by the Queen on Friday. He'll receive his honour during a private ceremony at Windsor Castle. Sir Tom's family will be with him as he's recognised for raising almost £33 million for the NHS by walking 100 laps of his garden before his 100th birthday in April.
Weather.
with availablecar.com car supermarket. Thousands of cars.